Naimbang garabi ikinyayo. Tonight, let's learn how to incorporate the adverbs now and already in Ilocano. To incorporate now, already in Ilocano, it is letter N is attached to pronouns. Examples are, if I just wanna ask, where are they? Ayan da. But if I wanna ask, where are they now? Ayan dan. Ayan dan. Or ayan mo. Where are you? But if you wanna ask, where are you now? Ayan mon. Ayan mon. Not only that it is attached to pronouns when asking questions, but also with sentences. Examples are, Nanganak. I'm going to eat. Nanganakon. I'm going to eat now. So, for example, someone called you to eat. Mangantayon. Let's eat now. And you're already eating. Manganakon. I'm eating already. Or I'm already eating. Mangmangan akon. Mangmanganakon. So you have the verb, the pronoun, and this time it's not just letter N, but we used ON. Mangmanganakon. I'm eating already. And if, let's say, they call you to eat, mangantayon. Let's eat now. And you already ate. Nanganakon. Nanganakon. I already ate. Another example is Nagdigosak. I took a bath. But if you wanna say, I already took a bath. Nagdigosakon. 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 Or, if someone is telling you to do something and you already did it or you already took care of it, and you wanna say, I did it already. Inaramid kun. Inaramid kun. Inaramid kun. It's not only letter N or ON being attached to pronouns to incorporate the adverbs already and now, but also EN. Examples, Adadtoyen. Adadtoyen. Adadtuyak. I'm here. Adadtuyakon. Adadtuyakon. I'm here now. Or I'm already here. And Adadtoyen. Adadtoyen. Adadtoyen in English, it would literally mean here now or here already. So the pronoun is missing. So an example for this is, let's say that a relative or someone call you on the phone looking for your older sister or manang, and the caller said, Adadta ni manang mo? Is your older sister there? And you can also find this phrases from one of the Ilocano videos titled Phone Call Phrases in Ilocano. You can find the link on top. And okay, so for example, someone called you and is looking for your sister, and the caller said, Adadta ni manang mo? Is your older sister there? And your answer, awan. Or awan isuna ditoy. She's not here. And then after, let's say an hour, she called again, checking if your older sister is already home. And she said, Adadta ni manang mon? Is your older sister already home? And at that time, your older sister is already home. You can say, Wen, yes. Adadtoyen. She's here now or she's already here. Next example is Nanganen. Nanganen. That means already ate. already ate. But who already ate? If I say Nanganakon, so you know that I already ate. Nanganakon. If I say Nanganen, you don't know who already ate. So example, let's say that my mom is looking for my brother and she said, "Where is John?" I told him to eat. And I know that John already ate, so I can tell my mom, Nanganen, 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 or Nanganen, isuna. In Tagalog, kumain na, or kumain na siya. And last example is Nagdigosen, Nagdigosen, who already took a shower. If I say Nagdigosakon, so you know that I already took a shower. With Nagdigosen, already took a shower, but who? Let's say that I have two friends with me, Amy and Rose is looking, let's say I have two friends, Amy and Rose, and Amy asked me, "Where is Rose?" I told her to go ahead and use the shower. And I know that Rose already took a shower, so I can say, Nagdigosen, or Nagdigosen isuna. She already took a shower. That's all for tonight. Hope you all had a great weekend. Bye!